Shall we begin?
So what is up, YouTube? It's the Boy 50 back with another video. Guys, we're trying to catch you up on Hummingbird. It is the next day and he's still fine. We're trying to feed him. And yeah.
Stretching out. He's actually like waking up.
There he is, guys.
See the color?
Let's begin.
Look at the pink on his chest.
Oh yeah, is that a little pinkish? Yeah, guys, we're gonna try to feed it. It's a spoon and sugar water. There's a little drip of the water on it. Wow. Kyle, we might actually do this.
This is not a drill.
Let's go there. Let's not go around here.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
Really bright.
Can you see?
Is that all you got?
Let's begin.
Make sure no hot. There, stand up on the side.
I'm barefoot and so cold. Your one's close.
No. I just don't think he's gonna let go of the thing. I tried to pick him up recently.
He doesn't want to eat. Is it raining?
Look, see, he holds on.
What the heck? Is it raining right now?
No?
Then why is there loads of drips
Shall
of
we
water
begin?
coming out of there?
He won't let go of the thing.
It's like so sunny, guys. I think it might be raining.
Let's begin.
It is raining right now. What the heck? It's like, guys, it's really sunny.
Oh, no, that's off.
That's the sky. Just a blue. It's the hummingbird. Well, yeah, guys. That's weird that's raining outside, but yeah, that was catching up on a hummingbird. Yeah, remember to subscribe. Remember to like this video, guys. And remember to write in the comments all that stuff I just said. And peace.